This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, and I know I'm going to get a lot of negative comments because what I'm about to say, I've been telling you guys this for the last month. These tariffs are not good for the market. And what makes them even worse is when he starts the tariffs and then reverses the tariffs. When he's back and forth and seesawing on the tariffs, he is causing uncertainty in the market, and it is causing the market to crash. I've said this so many times, and I get a lot of bad feedback on how tariffs are great. Tariffs are great maybe on some countries, but definitely not on our allies, and not on products that U.S. consumers use every day. Because what these tariffs are doing, or the threat of tariffs and then a reversal of the threat on tariffs, is cause uncertainty in the market. It makes people afraid. And when investors are afraid, especially institutions, they start selling off. And that's what we're seeing in QQQ and SPY crashing. And I believe, in my opinion, is because of Trump's back and forth on the tariffs. If you guys follow me, you know that I like to do put and call credit spreads on QQQ and SPY. I mean, I love to do it. I look at the Bollinger Bands. I look at the 1348 crossover. I look at the RSI and the MACD, and I decide whether I'm going to get put credit spreads or call credit spreads. But I'm going to tell you guys something. For the last 2 weeks, I haven't done any of them. And you know why? Because of the tariffs. I wasn't going to do any plays until after April 2nd, when the tariffs were supposed to be implemented. Now, I'm not even sure if that's going to happen. The bottom line is this. I don't believe the tariffs are good in the first place. That's just my opinion. I believe they're terrible for the market. But if Trump makes up his mind that he's going to do tariffs, he has to stick with it. And then the market can adjust to the tariffs. But if he announces tariffs, then he takes them back. Then he announces tariffs. Then he takes them back. And then he says he's flexible on the tariffs. That type of uncertainty cause problems in the market. And there are people losing a lot of money today because of Trump's uncertainty, his flexibility when it comes to the tariffs. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the best thing for Trump to do is either put the tariffs in place and leave them there, or take the tariffs away and leave them there? Okay? He can't be going back and forth. The back and forth, the wishy-washiness is causing problems in the market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.